This is a dual-station hot melt welding machine for filter cartridges. It has a simple structure, easy to operate, and is suitable for a wide range of materials. Here, we will demonstrate the welding. Place the filter membrane between the heating plates, press the foot switch, and the heating plates will close and tightly heat the membrane. We can see that the temperature here is rising and will reach the set temperature. The other station is the same. Once the temperature has dropped to the specified value, the heating plates will open, indicating the completion of the welding process. Let's take a look at the welding result. The entire welding line is transparent and smooth, and shows no signs of breakage. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.